Monday. The sun is so bright right now, but I am just enjoying a coffee before I head in to get my nails done at PH7. So I'm in my old neighborhood right now, and just thought I would take you guys along. This desk was kindly gifted to me by Work From Home Desk. I'm going to leave all the links below and go more into it in the next vlog, so stay tuned. Our bed frame and mattress from Nectar, and they both came separately, so we just kind of put them together as we got them, and then we just slept on the floor until the mattress came. So this is us putting it together. Good morning and happy Tuesday. It is December 1st today. I just got out the shower not long ago, excuse me, because I look a little bit tired, but I'm getting ready right now and I'm going to head to Williamsburg. I'm gonna get my nails done. As you can see, they need some help. And then, yeah, maybe just kind of walk around and take you guys along Williamsburg. But I'm trying to figure out what to wear. It's December 1st and it's in the 50s, so that's pretty cool. But Yeah, I don't know what to wear today. I need more like comfy pants, you know, like not jeans, but also pretty thick. I think I might just go with my Everlane flares. Ooh. Everlane flares and something cozy. I bought those Everlane flares like before all the Everlane stuff happened, and I never wore them because we were in quarantine. So they're actually very comfy though, and I just really like them. I don't know what top to wear. Maybe I'll just wear this Mate the Label white. I actually decided to go a little lavender. It's honestly my favorite color in the world. Okay, I changed my outfit once again. Wearing this long sweater dress type thing, but the back is actually open. I'm debating if I want this gray or if I should just do black. But I have some jeans on. Yeah, I'll show you. Can you see? I don't know. I feel like it looks pretty cool. Test it out. And then I don't need to wear a coat, I don't think.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you.